Well, I think we've all been there, where you have just too many vegetables, too many things in August.
Right.
What do you do with all of it?
What am I going to do with all of this
Enter
stuff?
Jeff to tell us what to do with all this.
So I plant a lot of basil because, you know, I'm always going to
I
be
know
like, I need basil, but then I'm like, I have way too much basil.
Right.
So what you can do if you have an excess amount is make a really easy pesto. You can find a recipe online. And then we have the pesto here that's already done. We're going to put it in these ice cube trays here. And Claudia, I'm going to do it because I know you're messy.
You know it.
And then we're going to freeze it. Once it's frozen, put it in a freezer bag, and then just
take them out when you need them.
when you're ready.
All right, I know right now we're getting in too many zucchini,
Cucumbers, squash, all that kind of stuff. And it's really easy to get a spiralizer, the zucchini noodles.
They're on trend.
They're on trend. It's very low carb. Easy recipes because it is hot, you know, because it is August.
What are you doing with your zucchini right now?
I am spiralizing it. I'm adding salt, pepper, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese to it.
Perfect.
That's what I eat for dinner.
What about tomatoes?
I have a lot of extra tomatoes. I make my own ketchup and also make my own pasta sauce or pizza sauce.
Okay.
So basically we're gonna take all these tomatoes, we're gonna de-seed them, and then we're gonna boil them down, add some salt, pepper, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and then you have a really easy pasta sauce.
Okay, gazpacho is really popular in August.
It is, that's right. You can also do the drinkable kind, or you can use the one with the spoon. But it's basically everything that you have in the garden. Peppers, tomatoes, onions. We're gonna cut them up fine. We're gonna put them in a food processor, and then we're gonna make our gazpacho.
Even just use
It's a really
the
good,
leftover
Bloody Mary mix. And then you can just add the vodka, and you have a wonderful breakfast.
Only you, Jeff. For
That's
more
right.
details, go to wallitch.net.